Hey guys, so this is day number 4 of vlogging in New York. Orange juice and some water. Here's the breakfast: some French toast, some hash browns, some eggs, some orange juice. Hey guys, so we're back from breakfast and I'm going to start getting ready, guys. So it's been a few minutes and I got ready and now we're going to, I think, a museum. I had to cover my shoes, so I don't even know what's in the store. Now we're gonna go to the color factory, which I don't know what that is, but we'll see when we get there. To Taffy's here. I'll take one, so I'm just gonna take the Cody Island candy apple. I'll take this. So it gives you your color, and so blue is my color, but like the day I was born. That's what it says. Okay, so we just did photos of the room that I just showed you now. It was like the confetti room, so I might insert those photos. Okay, so I did all these questions and now I'm waiting to go in here to do something and I don't know what we're doing. Okay, so now I'm going. I'm scanning my card. Our analyst has guided you to the yellow room. That's so cute! So apparently we're supposed to put these headphones on. So I'm putting these headphones on now. You don't know the music that's playing in here. Literally playing music. Crazy. Different colors: absinthe, Baker Miller pink, Dutch orange, jet black, ball picked. So we are back at Beefbar, and the menus are different because we are here in the evening. We also got some bread. There's also these things that I don't really know what they're called. So here's the food: some fries and a bunch of steaks.